The first screen you'll be presented with on the platform is the dashboard. The screen consists of 3 sections. The first section is the Quick Start section, which shows you the 4 quick steps you need to take to get your content onto your screens. You need to create a clip, add it to a playlist, schedule the playlist to a player, and then synchronize the changes to your player. In this section in the top right, you can quickly see some information about what's happening today. It shows you how many players are currently showing content and how many are not showing anything. And you can also see how many of your playlists are currently active and how many are not being used. In the bottom section, it shows you an overview of today's schedule. You can see all the playlists that are scheduled and all the screen regions. By default, the dashboard will show you today's playlists and screen regions for all of your players. And in this list of playlists that are scheduled for today, you can preview them on your current device and then edit them to make any changes that you feel you need to make. You can check which players it's scheduled to by clicking this arrow and then editing its schedule to make any changes to that. For your screen regions, you can also preview them. You can edit them to change their name and their categories. Click the arrow to see which players it's scheduled to and then adjust its schedule. This feature here shows you which region of the screen it's going to appear on. By default, it shows you all the playlists and all the screen regions scheduled to all of your players today, but you can select a specific player to only see what's going to be playing on that specific player today. So your dashboard is your landing platform. It's your key to seeing what's going on today, so you can make any necessary changes and make sure everything is scheduled. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure you check out the rest of our videos.